if it's an L couch, you use one set.
So we have been putting together, we've been doing some Funky Mondays for shirts, and
I ordered 4, maybe.
I think Christian's winning.
We had 3.
That's an outfit. All right, today is picture day for the Beluga build. So that's the Walter that we've been referring to Beluga. Look at that thing. Pretty excited for you guys to see the inside of this unit. Our best one yet.
The interior is pretty hot.
Yeah, I'd say
They always get better.
I'd say this is one of our best interiors. The guys did some very good work. All right, let's go check this thing out. All right, see you, buddy. Okay, that's the only peek until the full reveal, which is right away. Okay, this is the Beluga build. So lots happening on the outside. I'll go through some of the exterior features first, like that light bar up there. And then I'll take you guys inside for the full walkthrough. I'll do my best here. Ask questions below, I'll get back to them. Okay, so first up, we got light bar on the outside. That's hooked up to our driving battery system, because you're usually only gonna use that when you're driving. Okay, what else do we have on the outside? All right, we've replaced the bus doors with an insulated RV door. Added a clear window so you can actually see through. Those are usually opaque. All right, right here, we've got an electrical outlet, because most people are gonna set up their picnic table right here. Okay, I'm now gonna do a walk around, and any penetration through the bus, I'll explain. So this one right here, that's water inlet. Can't see myself. That's water hookup, so that's gonna be either your city or your fresh tank fill. We've got a diverter valve that we use and just go with one hookup. Right here, we've got our smart plug. These things are just simply superior to your standard RV twist lock. They don't heat up near as much, lot safer unit. What else? Okay, right here. This little guy is our Truma hot water combination unit. That's the exhaust and intake. We got battery. Oh, no, that's propane, I think. All right. So that's our propane tank hookup. That's chassis mounted. And a beautiful little custom door. That's just bus batteries. What else? I already went through over all this stuff. Light. Already told you that. Okay, that's it. Other than going over some system review, which would be those panels up there, more in depth about our water system, maybe the ladder I didn't mention on the rear. That's about it, other than the beautiful paint job. It's a bit of a blue steel bus, if you will. Okay, I'm not sure if this is your first or second look, but here you guys go. Time for the tour. These couches turned out absolutely amazing. Went with a vinyl saddle, if you will. Okay, this is entertainment unit. Very cool. TV is gonna mount up there. Got some storage. You can choose to remove the shelves, do coat hangers. Okay, we are now in the kitchen behind me, or I'm in the middle of the kitchen, I suppose. Got our sink, oven, range combo. This thing's super cool. So it's got a glass cover that actually acts as a backsplash as well. So we got some lighting, little oven, fit a small turkey. You honestly could fit a small turkey in here. Down below, we've got a drawer. Lots of cupboard space. My camera gear. And then this drawer bank. This drawer bank's gonna be very full. So huge drawers, lots of space. Same thing over here. We've got all drawers. So drawers for days, more drawers for days. And then across the top, we've got our upper system. Okay, so our upper system here we've used quite a few times. It's kind of like a tray open shelf concept. Looks very good, and it's functional. So obviously when you're driving, we need a retaining lip. So we've got a 3-inch retaining lip that holds jars, plates, food, snacks. Same thing up there. And then both have an under cabinet light. So it's nice and bright on the work surface. So I guess that's another thing to touch on. This build's got butcher block cabinet. What did we go with? Bamboo. This says bamboo countertops, clear coated. Lots of prep space. Okay, so this little area, super cool. Call it a bar top, maybe a dinette. It's probably gonna stay up most of the time. You've got a beautiful view, all that glass that we installed. But this actually stores away. So these seats swivel, we've got magnets on the walls. These are a shop bar stool. Shop stool? Yeah, shop stool. These usually mount to just a tabletop, like in a wood shop type setting. Super industrial. Now this flips down. All right, so in case you need a little bit more passageway through there, a little bit more space, now you've got it. Okay, if we mosey on back, we've got our step. We raised up the floor back here. We've got a utility cabinet. That's all our power system. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Turn the corner. So we come up the pathway and into the bathroom. So we've got a sliding barn door. How do I turn this? Oh, there we go. This might be the smallest sink I've ever seen. It's definitely the smallest sink I've ever seen. I'd say it's about 6 inches deep. Okay, behind me we've got the airhead toilet. Super cool little unit. Easy to change everything. Smell free. So this vent, follow it back, goes out the floor. On the other side of the toilet, we've got a laundry unit. So that's a combo laundry and an upper unit. So again, more storage, all your bathroom laundry stuff. And then laundry unit. Okay, I'm now gonna show you guys our aluminum shower. So this is a fiberglass base, and then we do an aluminum shower surround and get it vinyl wrapped with whatever you want. What does that say? Hold and press. So that's a self-cleaning door. It's got a little squeegee on the inside, drains it into the shower base. So here's our little shower base. I think this one's 30 by 30. And we've got our Moen Nebbia spa shower. This fancy little shower cuts your water consumption, don't quote me on this, by about 60%. I'm close, I know I'm close. So this is the vinyl. This is all wrapped in exterior grade vinyl. Okay, at the foot of the bed, so that's the driver's side of the bus. Foot of the bed is a full entertainment unit, TV, we got a media box back there, so you can charge. Down below, so you're actually sitting on a shelf right now. Got another one of our shelves, books, night stuff, whatever you want. Then we got some LED lights with a charger. On the, again, I guess foot side of the bed we can call it, we've got a massive wardrobe. So again, we always install a hanging rod and then adjustable shelves. Client can do whatever they want with that system. Up top's just a little bit more storage. That now definitely concludes, because I don't have my drone, I still need to get that thing going. If anybody works on Phantom 4s, let me know. But that is Walter. I need to start, I'm gonna drop Beluga completely. This is Walter. Dang it, the sound wasn't on that whole time. All right, now we got the police showing up. What are they doing? Okay, just a friendly cop. No issues. I just wanted to check the bus out. That is not level. We are officially back after 2 weeks of holidays. I think we're gone for 13 days. We are gonna be back to regular scheduled videos every week. Before I get started catching you guys up, it's a Blink 182 out there. I think I gotta show you guys the energy. Blink 182 day. It is so nice to be back in the shop. Kind of missed these guys. We got John sanding over there. He's going hard on cabinets, it looks like. We have Larry's bus going out for paint today. And Ronnie's bus is looking incredible. Look at that paint. Okay, as promised, let's go for a little tour today. Let's go over current builds in the shop. So, first up, we've got Larry. That's the roof raised short bus. It'll be going out for paint today. It's in the kind of prefab stages. Now, let's go over Ronnie's build. So it's obviously back from paint. Roof has been coated. Awning's up. Roof rack or solar racks are up. Let's pop into it to see the rest. Okay, so we got the doorway ready to go. Here's a look at the awning. Every time I step into here, I cannot get over the amount of space she's going to have. So this couple is retired and they are selling their house in California. They're gonna be living full-time in this unit. So I'm standing or sitting where the bed's gonna be. So right, I don't know, can you guys see that? Okay, so this is gonna be the bedroom. Moving forward, we've got bathroom. That's gonna be all right there. So we're gonna be working with a hallway coming down the side. And then as we come forward, we've got our step down. We've got office. with 2 nice windows. Desk will be here somewhere. Come forward. Right there's our sink, kitchen area, and then on this side will be fridge. And then we're left with the living room. So living room's gonna be super cozy. We're gonna have entertainment on this wall. And right here we're gonna have a couch. It's gonna be a very cool bus. Okay, that beeping is, whose bus? Ben's? Ben's bus is back and it is painted. Look at that. What do you think, John?
I think it looks beautifully white.
Okay, the boys are happy with the paint job.
And then once you get that on, you can,
Okay, it is Thursday morning and Frank's giving us our morning meeting pitch.
Okay, John, sand, and prep.
Super busy week. Hold on a second. Tammy from Greenland just showed up. And she's got a surprise for us.
It's pretty exciting.
What is this?
I know.
Unbelievable.
And it's not a company car, it's my car. So, yeah. Right?
So Tammy won this. What was it called again?
It was the free ride beach ride.
The free ride beach ride.
Right behind the key.
Yeah, give us the lowdown.
So yeah, so I got with it, so $2,300 paddleboard from Fresh Air Experience.
Oh, that's
I got a
nice.
Domtech cooler from Napa Auto Parts. It was like cool, $400 for that or $500, a really nice cooler. Truck Outfitters put a new winch on it. Well, the winch on the front.
Holy crap.
And donated stuff for the seats. Yeah, yep, so I got that from Paved. They got that from Paved.
So that's a new rig.
I'm pretty excited.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, Friday at 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock. And the boys are wrapping up the work week. I think they're just doing some last minute cleaning. Work week's done? Done. You still working, Frank?
Kinda. Putting things away.